video we are going to learn about different properties of len and log function. Log of m plus log of n equals to log of m into n, and same property is true for len also. Similarly, log of m minus log of n equals to log of m over n, and another property of log is m log of n equals to log of m to the power n. These are few properties of log which are used in almost all the questions of log in len. Same properties are applicable for len also. Let's look at some examples based on those. Solve the system of equations and round your answers to nearest hundredth. Now e to the power 3x plus y equals to 2. This is an exponential function, this is a linear function. Now for the system of equations, both should be linear functions or the linear equations, then only we will be able to solve them. We also know that we can convert the exponential form into log form, so let's try on that. So I'm going to express this exponential form as log. So because it has the base e, I'm going to write it as len. So now I know that it has the base e, so the base e is written already here. The number on the other side is 2, so len 2 equals to 3x plus y. When we calculate the value of len 2, it is going to be equal to 0.693, so which gives me the equation in the form of 3x plus y equals to len 2, which is equal to 0.693. This is first equation out of the two given linear equations. Similarly, I can express the second equation as minus x plus y equals to minus 1. So I have the equations given in the form of linear equations. Using the calculator, solving linear equations gives the value of x and y, and those values are x equals to 0.42 and value of y equals to minus 0.58. Similarly, the second equation. Second question is based on the same concept. We have a linear equation and we have an exponential function. We can convert the exponential form into log form so that it becomes a linear equation also. So we are going to use len again. Len of 5 equals to x plus 2y. Then again, value of len 5 is a constant value. So the two equations are x plus 2y equals to len 5, and if I rearrange this equation, I'm going to have x plus y equals to 2. When we simplify it for the linear equations, we are going to have the values of x and y from the calculator. X equals to 2.39 and y equals to minus 0.39. So they have a unique solution corresponding to the given system of equations. Now we have another question for solving. So we need to find the value of x in this question. 2e to the power 2x plus 5 equals to 1 over e. Looking for the solution for this equation, I can also express this as e to the power minus 1. Now e to the power 2x minus 5, e to the power minus 1. Both have same bases. Whenever the bases are same, so the exponents can be equated. This gives me 2x plus 5 equals to minus 1. So I can move this 5 on the other side so that I have 2x equals to minus 1 minus 5. This gives me 2x equals to minus 6, dividing by 2 both the sides. Value of x equals to minus 3. So depending on how the equations are given, we can find the values of x and y. So this is another property. If we have, for exponents, I can say, if I have something like a to the power equals to a to the power m equals to a to the power n, this implies m is equal to n. So we are considering the properties of log and exponential forms and looking at the examples on both of them at the same time. Let's look at this example now. 8 to the power x, and that is equal to 512. Straight away I can convert this into log function. So log base 8, so base is 8, 512 is the value of x, and on simplifying we can see that the value of x equals to 8 times 8, 64 times 8 gives you 512, so the value of x is 3. Another example on exponential function. E to the power x minus 5 equals to 1 over 2e. I'm going to start with changing the exponential form into len. Base e, 1 over 2e, it is equal to x minus 5. By the property of log, len 1 minus len 2e equals to x minus 5. Value of len 1 is 0, so this gives us minus len 2e equals to x minus 5. We need to find the value of x. So I'm going to move this 5 on this side. So we are going to have 5 minus len 2e equals to value of x. We can further simplify this one, and by using the property of multiplication of two values and calculating its len, so we are going to have 5 minus, this is nothing but len 2 plus len e equals to x. Value of len e is 1, so 5 minus len 2 minus 1 equals to x. So the value of x equals 4 minus len 2. This is the value of x. So there are different types of scenarios, different types of equations which we come across. Depending on them, we need to find the value of the variable in the question. Now let's look at this one. Again, because it's a log function, we need to get the value of x. So I'm going to convert log function into exponential form. 2 to the power 4 equals 3x minus 2. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 gives me 3x. This means 18 equals to 3x. Dividing by 3. So the value of x equals to 6, and that is the solution for the given question. Again, this question is similar to the previous one. We can change the log function into len. So, log function into exponential form. 2 to the power 4 equals to x. So the value of x is 16.